Poly Studio Small Medium Room Kit for Microsoft Teams Rooms is an ideal solution that is simple to set up and use and offers powerful yet intuitive meeting experience that puts everyone in the room or remote on an equal footing. Poly Studio USB video bar included in the kit can be wall-mounted, placed on the TV stand, or mounted to the display using an optional VISA mount, and it connects to the Teams Rooms PC with a single USB cable. This frees up the conference table with just an 8-inch touch controller. To share content from your laptop, you can connect an HDMI cable directly to the Poly GC8. The Poly Studio USB video bar's camera has a 120-degree field of view with a 4K resolution sensor and supports Poly Director AI technology for professional quality camera framing, including speaker framing and the group framing. This helps ensure everyone is seen clearly and equally. The Poly Studio's powerful stereo speakers deliver room-filling, rich audio, and the 6-element beamforming microphone array captures everyone's voice with clarity. If extra reach is desired, expansion microphone is available as well. Poly Noise Block AI and acoustic fence technology keep out distracting noises from inside and outside the room, so only your voices are heard and nothing else by others. To learn more about Poly Studio Small Medium Room Kit for Microsoft Teams Rooms, visit poly.com.